In this video, I'm going to share with you how working from home can almost be like printing money from your computer. Okay, so let me tell you what this really all about, since I'm not really printing money, but I am making money from printing type activities. So here's what the deal is. I'm actually reselling brand new or unused toner cartridges or inkjet cartridges. You know, these are the things that people put inside of printers that allows them to print. So all those toner cartridges and inkjet cartridges, they're worth a lot of money, right? So you can always use them. And if you can't use them, there's somebody else that can. So I'm going to share with you how I get them for free. That's right, I'm able to get these things for free. And then I just resell them on eBay for a profit. So here's how I did it. Here's my secret. So first thing I do is I search Craigslist and I look for printer toner cartridges or inkjet cartridges. And what I'm looking for is finding them for free, because I can often do that. You know, I can find them for free. And the reason why I find them for free, well, take a guess, right? So people who own printers, every once in a while they change printers, right? So either the printer breaks or they want the new model, and so they go ahead and they upgrade and they change their printers. And oftentimes what happens is when they do that change, they still have toner cartridges or inkjet cartridges that they haven't used, right? So they buy them, they store them with the thought that they'll eventually need them, so it's, you know, saves them a trip to the store. But if they change the printer in the meantime, now what are they going to do with the old cartridges? They can't really use them anymore. So oftentimes they'll just give them away for free because they're not worth anything to them at that point. And so they'd rather give them to somebody than to try to sell them or something like that, you know, and that's where we come in. We're going to take them, or I get them, and I resell them because I do have the time to make a listing and post it on eBay and sell it and then package it up and ship it out. And so for me, I'm willing to do that. For some folks, it's convenient for them to just donate it, give it away. So that's what I'm going to try and do here. And I'm going to walk you through a demo where I get them and then I resell them for 100% profit. Let's take a look. Here's one for an HP 93 print cartridge. It's a free and unopened tricolor cartridge. Let's check the price over on eBay. So it's HP 93 ink cartridge. And again, we want to check new. And we want sold. Let's go ahead and sort these out. Here's 5 of them for $95. That's about $20 a piece. Here's 3 of them for $64. So you're looking at roughly $21, $22 a piece. 2-pack for $60. That's $30 a piece. Here's another one I found off Craigslist. It's a free toner. It's the 298A. So this is for an HP printer. So let's go ahead and check out what this one will cost by going over to eBay. So over here on eBay, we're going to go ahead and type in the model number for the cartridge. And we're going to check. Let's see, this one was brand new, unopened. And let's check the sold items. And then we're going to sort by price. So here we see remanufactured for $70 it's sold. Here's 3 of them for $60. Brand new sealed in a box, $19.99. But check it out, the shipping is $27. That's, what is that, $47 for this one? Here's one. New sealed in box, free shipping, and it sold for $45. The next one sold for $20.95, but the shipping is $23. So it's actually, this is a $44. So let's go back and look at the listing. So this toner cartridge here should fetch around $40 to $45 on eBay. In this next one, it's a Dell 9833 toner cartridge, actually cartridges, so there's 3 boxes of unused black toner, model Dell 9833. Let's check it out on eBay. Dell 9833. And we want new. And we want sold. So we'll check the prices of this product that have sold. Let's go ahead and sort these. And the very first one, right? So there's 3 of these. They're the Dell 9833 black toner cartridges for $75. So that's $25 a piece. This next one, there's 2 of them for $60, $25 a piece, or $30 a piece. So that appears to be, and here's this next one, 1 cartridge for $44, $45. So it's safe to say probably get about $30 for this, each one of these toner cartridges, and there's 3 of them. All right, so now that you've seen what I've done, I've shown you 3 examples. Let's take a look at my results. So the first one was an HP 92 inkjet cartridge, or toner cartridge, and it was worth about $20. The second one was HP 98, and that was worth $40. And on the last example, I actually found 3 cartridges, the Dell 9833s, worth about $30 each, $25 to $30 each. So the total there was $90. And if we add all this up, we're talking about $150 in inkjet and toner cartridges. And these were ones that I got for free from Craigslist. People were just giving them away. And so I've just shown you 3 examples where you could collect them, relist them on eBay, or not relist, but list them on eBay, and you could sell them, and it's $150 profit, right? There's no money out of my pocket to purchase them. I got them for free, and then I sell them for $150. So all that is completely profit. So what did I do? How did I get into this? Well, for me, it was all about taking that first step and jumping into action, right? So I had to go through and do the work up front, search Craigslist, coordinate a time to meet with the people that were giving these away, get them, create a listing on eBay, list it on eBay, and then list it on. Once I had them, I had to go ahead and make a listing for eBay, post them up on the site, and then wait for the auction or the buy it now to run out, and then whoever won the auction package the item up, put a label, ship it out, and then collect the money from there. So it's free money, but you have to work for it, right? So there's some effort and time involved in order to get this cash. Now, I can't guarantee success. It could have been that I got these cartridges and nobody would have wanted them. That's completely possible. Or, like in my case where I got them and I was able to sell them, it worked out really well. But, like I said, there's no guarantee, but you do have to try it. And if you don't try, you're never going to know. So that's another reason why you've got to do this, is because you don't want to have regrets later on in life. So you have to make up your mind to take action, and then realize that it's not 100% guaranteed, but go out there and try it, because you don't know. Maybe it will be. Maybe you sell one of them, you won't sell the others, or maybe you sell all of them, you just don't know. So the first thing is you need to prepare and set up everything you need to get this in place, right? So you're going to need an account on eBay. You'll need an account with PayPal, so that when people pay you, they can go to your PayPal account. Now, to get a PayPal account, you're going to need typically a bank account or a credit card, something like that, and then be able to search Craigslist. You need some time to go through, search Craigslist, kind of coordinate with the people that you get these from, learn about how to create a listing, learn about create a listing on eBay, learn about how PayPal works, and get all that going. So you need all those pieces in place so you can do this. And then once you've got all that, then you go ahead and perform this strategy, right? So it's all about getting those things in place, and then taking the action to go out, search Craigslist, find the listings, go out, contact the people, get the free stuff that they're giving you, right? The printer cartridge, the inkjet cartridges, so that you can resell them. You can list them on eBay, resell them, and then collect the money in your PayPal account. It's exactly what I'm telling you. It's pretty straightforward, but it is work, so you're gonna have to do that. But really, the first thing you need to do is just to go out and do it. Hey, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button. And don't forget, be sure to subscribe so you'll have access to all of my videos. And then click on the bell icon so you'll be notified every time I release a new video with more tips, tricks, hints, and secrets for working from home. If you're dreaming of a new life, make a plan, take action on that plan, and start living your dream. Hey, so I got a quick legal disclaimer here. The content that I'm sharing with you should not be construed as financial or legal advice. What I'm giving you is strictly for educational purposes only. So if you need to, please consult with a qualified professional regarding your specific situation. Now that I've got that out of the way, let's get down to the real content.